Oh, bloody stuck hole, man. Did you get through, Ben? Oh, hit, get on the fucking shit. Hit! Oh, goodness sake, lads. Get in there, boys. Hit!
No. You're lucky that didn't go off.
Are you not allowed it?
No, because you've got your teammate in front of you.
Oh. Is that a teammate in there?
Yeah.
Shit. Sorry, dude.
You're lucky it didn't go off.
Is it? You know, someone was shooting me there a minute ago and I can't see through walls.
Not him.
Finger.
Right, you've lost part of the casing to one of your filters on your mask.
You are?
You know your mask?
Yeah.
One of the screw bits, the filter's falling off. It's on the
Oh, you legend. Thank you, man.
That's what a filter is. I don't know about the screw.
Heck, good shot.
Go at the door.
Oh, yeah. Dead player. Thank you, mate. Gentlemen. Right, this bit's clear up into this room on the right here. And he's behind the, what do you call it, the filing cabinet.
Yeah. On the side as well.
Weapon! Oh, good shot, dude. Dead player. Impossible, isn't it? Yeah. Right, I've got a plan. I have a plan. I found their weakness, boys. Eh? Yeah, I found their weakness. Ben, where you went, Ben, on the right?
Yeah, you just put across that whole hallway on the other side. The fall on the right, be careful.
Hit, good shot, clip the clothing, hit.
Have we not put that on the room yet?
No, he's still in there, he keeps moving.
Yeah. Right.
Oh, hit! Get me under.
Oh, hit, good shot. Right, Ben. Right, Grenada. Clear in there. Blade. Oh shit, sorry man. Got eyes? Say when. Yeah. Blade. Oh, hit! Ah, fuck! Had the selector wrong. Ah, that was painful! God damn it! Right, you ready? Same again, boys. Wait, mate, just wait. They went. Follow, follow. Hey! Good shot. Play, mate. Is it?
Swing.
Sorry? Down the river. I'll go left more.
Do what?
You take the doors, take the
Do
doors.
what?
Take that door.
We've probably gone in the shower block then. Or he's in the toilet block. There's toilet in the block. Walk in the toilet block.
Clear. Clear. Oh shit. Clear. Yo, Pete. Clear. Play, boys. Well, we've cleared through here. It's all clear, yeah.
All the way.
It's clear.
We came through that.
Yeah, we just cleared that. You cleared that. Well done.
Yes. I think well, yes, we do.
It's me.
Yeah. Dead end that way, Steve.
It's dead end in there, mate.
Is it?
Yeah, I went down to the end. Come on. There's someone in there, I heard him. Perhaps not. Play if you got him. I told you. Well played, mate. Good effort, dude.
Yeah, I'm not bad. I'll get you back.
Yeah. I see you again.
Yeah, I'm not bad. That's like the worst
Oh, yeah.
place trying
A knife shield early.
to see shit.
Well played, dude. I heard you down there, but I couldn't get you. He got you. Shit, weapon.
Don't kill.
Right. And you, mate. Well played, mate. No, that's you. Yeah. Well, thank you, man. Good grenade. Where have you been hiding, you bugger?
I was in that car door. And we held that first door. And the officer kept coming in and shooting.
Oh, you bastards, that was you lot, was it?
Yeah, it was me and John,
Yeah.
just two of us.
I managed to get round the side and come round the back and knife kill the sniper dude. No, well played, mate. Alright, Rich. I think we've got him. Come on, lads. Right. Dick shot. Well played. Well played, bumholes. Good effort, lads. Good effort.
Last long in there.
A little bit of food came at me around the corner.
I was cannon fodder for the record. Is that game over?
Finally got ya.
What have I got? Yeah. This side's clear. Got all done on that side.
Clear. Clear, boys, clear. Well done, mate.
Clear, pull it. Pull it.
Cool it.
Pull it.
Single shot. Full outside, single shot in.
get him. Tap him, make him my friend.
Where we got hit him?
Anyway, grenade stuns him.
Or we got hit him with a BB or like actually captain?
Hit him, yeah.
Any questions, guys? Everyone understand what they're doing? Fantastic game on.
Come on, Ben. Oh shit! I'm out. What? I am. Guys.
There's another entrance that way, isn't it? That's the main way through the corridors and then out the back entrance.
We have to carry on going down the centre then. Why are we going under now?
I don't know. No, I'm going through the back entrance is this way. Oh, you
It
go.
is. Oh shit. Okay then mate, I don't know where the fuck we're going.
Do you remember that thing?
Come on.
Do you remember that corridor we was in earlier?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
We need to go all the way that way.
Can you hear the fuckers? Yeah, where's that side corridor, innit?
Yeah, where we was earlier. Where we were slamming through.
Is that you rattling?
Through there, through that door. Yeah,
Your bells?
that's right.
What?
Yeah, where the
Fuck!
There's a turn to the left somewhere, but it takes
Oh, here it is, here it is.
right. And we need to slam it through the other side.
Well played, mate.
You take point.
Okay, mate. Hit! Good shot! Get him. You have to
Is
take
that the
point.
one running up there?
Yeah.
Up there, look. Can you come back? I fucking hit him.
You did. Dude, get door reach. Door reach. Go the other door. Oh, I've got sun right on my mush. I can't see anything this side, mate. Literally.
Let's go out. One left, one right.
Right, I ain't got a fucking band on. Right. Oh, you bastard, hello, mate. Are you reds?
Huh?
You reds?
No.
Shit, you could have shot me then.
I could have done, but I've got a load of other people looking at it.
No, fair play. I'll go back, mate. Fair play. I want to go back because he's fair play. We can't knife kill him then. Shit. Oh, motherfuckers. We were friendly in there. Hit. Damn it, I was going to knife kill him.
I've pretty much unloaded every BB I've had so far.
You hadn't.
Put on him.
Expensive.
Stu, you're on man.
Oh, cheers. Do us a favour. Thanks, man. Oh, I'm fucked. Cheers, honey.
Oh, flipping. Go on, give it.
Lovely. That'll do. Cheers, man. I've only got skinny arms. We're up. Snapping now.
Huh?
Snap.
Oh no.
You can see my top.
Hell yeah.
Woohoo! Oh man,
I am fucked.
I'm the same. I'm fucked. Is he coming, Bambi?
What?
Is he coming?
I don't know. I can't tell you.
Oh. Shut up then.
If you see a blue and orange text on the Quake, let us know.
Okay, mate. Have you lost it? Fuck. Alright, mate.
What's the plan, Stewie?
Hey?
What's the plan? Where's this jump?
I don't know, but there's enemy there. I tried running at him, but the enemy got me. I've
There it is,
checked.
here it comes. Here we go.
He's got a good idea. Dude, that corner's clear if you want to go. I'll cover high. Okay. Well, I'll put him off. I'll cannon fodder. Go get him, go get him, go, go. think it's time for a knife kill. You can knife kill him, can't you?
You just need to take out.
Yeah. I ran at him and then the back up got me. Winnie. Yeah, nice kill. Hit.
I'll take it.
Well played. Yeah, got him, but I'm dead. Got him, boys. As I got him, I got shot. But, fuck it.
Door 5! Ow!
Dead player. Ooh.
That's why we're in the building.
I meant hit before I went, shit.
Yeah, no smoke though.
Yeah.
You
40.
back round into that building.
I just got juggernaut.
Do you want to go back round into that building?
Yeah, I reckon. No, there's nothing happening in there, mate. It's all outside.
No, yeah, but if we could flank all the way around, there's hardly anyone there.
Yeah, no, let's try an outside. I've been in. Just blame on Pete. Pete, you got a dirty ass, mate.
I like it, mate.
I see you went for the black camo, copycat.
What was that? Oh, fucking the white camera.
Oh, lovely. I got a juggernaut kill. That's the guy that got me. It's alright, we'll storm the fucker. He's dead, I hit him. Played. Don't tell me you're red. Oh, I keep meeting you. I think there's one behind him, boys. Just go get him. Fuck it. Cannon fodder him.
You're joking. When I threw that, I was fucking on the opposition.
Played, mate. You shot me in the back, didn't you?
I think so, yeah.
M14 Lush.
Oh, I just threw that on the opposition.
With me then? Fucking bung. I think that's it. I think it was just in. Eyes, what? Juggernaut?
Yeah.
They've got him again?
Yeah.
I'll fucking get him back.